Hi, I'm going to hand feed my baby canary. The mother couldn't do it. She killed her other babies. And this is the remaining one. But I do have to take him out of here, so it's easier to do. He's 4 days old, and he's eating right here. He weighs 5 grams. Oops, he's upside down. Come here, buddy. Usually what I do is hold him in my hand. It's easier. And he's so small. He, she, I don't know what it is, but we'll soon find out, right? Come on, get up. He's so excited. I just put it on the end of this syringe. It's the insert of a syringe because I didn't want to choke him when I put the water in. So there's just a little bit of food on here. And when he's full, he usually goes to the washroom and then asks for more. And then I just change the Kleenex whenever it's dirty and put him back in the nest. And this is the heating pad. And he seems okay. It's just hard to feed him sometimes when he moves around like this. Come here. Whoopee. Okay. He's got white fur on him. Okay, more? Oh, he's going to poo. Did you see that? That's how he poos, and then he's going to ask for more. It only takes a couple of seconds to feed him. And I feed him every hour, or if he wants half an hour during the night, every 2 hours. Until he's a little bit older. Try to hold him still. Come here, Squirmy. Come on. See, this food in this crop is getting in. It might not look like it is, but it is. Whoa. See his little wings? Is that cute or what? Oops. Sometimes I'm afraid he's going to jump right out of my hands. And then he gets weighed with this every day. So I make sure he's eating and growing. See his crop? Right there? He's getting the food. Okay, here he is.